What's up, everybody? I just want to jump on and make a quick video. If you're following along with the tutorials and you've updated to Xcode 4, there's a few deprecations that happen to hamper the tutorial, and I just wanted to go through those real quick. So the first one was the ForEach in the hike detail, and that's the first error I got. So the hike detail identified by has been deprecated. So with this ForEach, you put the content in and you add the argument label identified by, and then what it was identified by an argument. Okay, so that cleaned up a lot of the syntax that identified by argument. The second one is color that the error I got was the foreground color. Now this was a modifier that said dot color and then the value of whatever it was. And if you can see, my Xcode preview is kind of running because I'm pegging out my my MacBook Air. So the new modifier is foreground color, for dot color. And the next issue I had was with the PresentationLink, which was deprecated. This is now .sheet, and the workaround that I found on Twitter, my folks on Twitter, thank you very much for that, I appreciate it, was to go and build out a profile button, okay, and the action is .self toggle, so it'll toggle this state. It's monitoring this state right here, which is false, and it's going to have an image of the person, this little person right here, large accessibility, which is this right here is fantastic, and I'm going to keep that in mind whenever I build out my next app, which is Drift. And then the padding, and you go down here, you add it to the navigation bar items, the trailing profile button right here. Okay, then you add the modifier .sheet is presented, $ for the state, showing profile, and then the text user profile. And that's how you fix the presentation link in the tutorial. So good stuff there. I hope that helps you out moving forward. I'm going to be recording the next series of videos tomorrow, but I hope this helps you out.